Did you know that the words assets and liabilities have been around for more than 500 years? Yes, indeed. These two financial terms, while seeming quite serious and complicated, have a simple essence at their core. Today, we're diving into the world of assets and liabilities. Buckle up, buckle. Picture a scale. On one side we have assets and on the other, liabilities. Now imagine, if you will, a golden coin representing assets and a heavy rock symbolizing liabilities. Naturally, you'd want more golden coins than rocks, right? That's because assets are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities are those that take money out. Think about it like this. If you had a magical tree that dropped golden coins, wouldn't you want to take care of it and see it grow? That's an asset. On the other hand, imagine a pesky goblin that sneaks into your pocket and steals your coins. You wouldn't want many of those around, would you? That's a liability. Now let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Question 1. Is a car an asset or a liability? If you said liability, you're correct. While a car can take you places, it also requires money for fuel, maintenance, and insurance. So it's more like a coin-stealing goblin than a golden coin-dropping tree. Question 2. Is a savings account an asset or a liability? If you said asset, pat yourself on the back. A savings account, like our magical tree, grows over time and puts more golden coins into your pocket. Question 3. What about a credit card? Is it an asset or a liability? If you said liability, you've got it. A credit card can seem like it's giving you money, but remember, it's actually a sneaky goblin that will demand those coins back, with some extra ones for its trouble. So, the next time you think about assets and liabilities, remember the golden coin-dropping tree and the coin-stealing goblin. With this understanding, you're well on your way to mastering the basics of finance. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep collecting those golden coins. Until next time, stay smart. We hope you've enjoyed our adventure into the world of assets and liabilities. We truly appreciate your time and attention, and it's our pleasure to assist you on your journey to financial literacy. If you found this video helpful and want to continue learning with us, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you won't miss out on any of our future content designed to make complex financial concepts easy and fun to understand. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting adventures into the world of finance. Until next time, stay curious and keep growing your tree of golden coins.